Hey guys, I'm just here trying to stay awake for the night. For some reason I wanted to go to the hospital tonight and kind of check on Harrison. You know, we've been so exhausted and we needed our rest, and I get to the hospital and he's got further complications, more than just the heart valve replacement. His test came back positive for COVID. And that's not a good thing because he already has some respiratory problems. And then the second thing is they may have to have an emergency operation tonight on his digestive system because they believe that there is some type of clot or blockage in his system that could cause him serious harm. Right now we don't have all the information. With all the teams of doctors working together, everybody at UAB is just top notch. You know, they've really taken great care of Harrison. But I just noticed, you know, when I looked at him tonight, he looked really weak. He had been throwing up a lot and hasn't eaten much, and I just need all your prayers, you know. And I call him my little buddy, you know. I posted some pictures, you know, out earlier, you know, where he's got himself sitting on my shoulder, you know. I think that's how he feels in his heart, you know, that I can carry him through his journey. But, you know, I can only do so much, you know, as a dad, and I've done everything in the world that I could do for him, you know, to help him in his life. You know, from his accident in 2017 that almost killed him to now, he's really had a tough road he's had to travel. I just kind of wanted to reach out to all my Facebook friends, and you know, prayer does work, you know, and you know, I have to get on my knees, you know, and just ask for that mercy from God, you know, that somehow all this will turn out for the better, and Harris can be back to his old self. You know, what a great talent, you know, what a great athlete, what a great artist, and a really smart and savvy mind, let me tell you. He's a very special boy, and I would do anything in the world for him. And I know it's late, it's crunch time. I'm supposed to receive a call in the next hour and a half from the general surgeon to see if they're going to have to do the surgery this morning, and then I'll head back. I'm just kind of on standby, so I'm drinking a lot of coffee, you know, and I want to be ready to head down that way. I'm only probably, you know, 12-15 minutes away, so I love all you guys for all the things you posted, and just come alongside us, you know. It's something that it's hard to explain, the pain and the suffering that you endure when one of your children is this sick. I do know this. He told me the other night that he was saved, and that's a great comfort, you know, that he knows the Lord and the Lord knows him. But I still got a lot of life to live with him, and I still got a lot I want to teach him. And I think he could be something really, really great if God will let him live. Thank you guys for letting me share this tonight.